I'm Imani, and this is Anti-Weeb Fashion, and this is where we cover well-designed, anime-inspired merch. We're going to get into all the new drops and releases that are happening this week. Now, this week is not too crazy. We don't have a lot, but one of the things I do want to talk about, I talked about this earlier this week, is already sold out, is the Puma and Pokemon collaboration. I really feel like the team did not give us enough time to prepare for this drop. They did an announcement on Monday, and then the release was on Thursday. Don't they know everybody get paid on Friday? Which I think is crazy. They dropped 5 pairs of shoes. I personally like the 4 pair, I only covered the 4 pair, as well as dropping some other merch. But before you could blink, the shoes were sold out, which is crazy. So also the Pokemon that they chose was random, but the pair that I personally really liked was the Mimikyu pair. Sorry, my allergy is acting up, so I feel like I'm going to be sneezing throughout this entire update. But I feel like this tan pair kind of gives that like Yeezy monochromatic look, and I've been wanting a pair of shoes like this. I'm gonna try and get these. I think these were really well designed as well. If you want to go look at, all right, we'll look at the merch together if it's still up. But I feel like the merch wasn't anything too crazy. I feel like they have to do a restock, a redrop of these. Oh, it looks like they might still have a couple of items left. I doubt it. It's probably like the most random sizes. This is big kid size, but here's the Pikachu pair. These, I don't know if I could pull these off, but these are cute too. But the whole collection runs you around, or for the shoes run you about 110 to 140. I'm surprised that these ones sold out. Maybe, I don't know, but this is the pair that I didn't like as well. I think this is another Pikachu inspired pair. It's like 140. I personally did not like that pair. And then you can just see this is like a bunch of graphic tees. Nothing too crazy when it comes to design. This jersey is nice. Tracksuit's kind of nice, but when it came to the merch, I was a little bit disappointed in the merch. But man, these are nice. These would be my new workout shoes if I was able to get those. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Also, let me know if you got a pair. There was somebody that messaged me and was like, wow, thanks for letting me know I was able to get 2 pair. And I was like, wow. Must be nice. But that was the Pokemon collaboration. It looks like there's still some pieces, some shoes, but it looks like it's for like kids. There's probably not a lot of adult pair as well. Then I never watched this anime, but Treasure is doing another anime inspired ring drop. If you guys like anime inspired jewelry, this is a brand in Japan. You could just use third-party shipping if you want to get an item like this, but they did other collaborations that I covered. But D Grayman, I never watched this anime. I don't know anything about it. I don't even know if it's anime, but I shared it in my Discord and it looked like a couple people were excited about it. It looks like they're gonna have 3 different designs based off of 3 different characters, or 4 different. No, it's 3. Yes, 3 characters right here. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I think these are like pretty subtle. I don't know that much about the character references. I didn't do that much research on this because I don't know anything about this anime. I'm gonna leave it to y'all in the comments to tell me what y'all think about that. And then also, we talked about this in the last newsletter, but on the 16th of April, Hashira Studios is dropping a Windbreaker collaboration. We don't know how many pieces are in there. So far, we know there will be like 5 like graphic tees, and then they did show this kind of cardigan situation that is kind of inspired by their jackets from the anime. I feel like Windbreaker fans have been constantly asking me for some Windbreaker merch. I'm actually very surprised that Windbreaker doesn't have as much collaborations. I'm surprised that Tokyo Revenger had way more collaborations than Windbreaker, especially because I feel like their community is constantly asking me to find merch. So I think you guys will be happy with this. I do kind of expect Hashira Studios to kind of do their signature kind of sweatsuit situation that they usually do. I'm curious to see how they incorporate that into the Windbreaker aesthetic. So I'm looking forward to see it. The drop will be happening. Let me get the exact time. It will be on April 16th at 6 p.m. Central Time. So make sure you mark your calendars. and let me know like what piece that you are excited about. Here's some of the graphic tees right here, you know, nothing too crazy. Then there's this one, kind of like inspired by the jacket. That one's actually pretty nice. I think this is another one. They're slowly showing sneak peeks of the collection, so if you want to stay up to date on the stuff as it comes out, so you get an idea of what they are dropping, I would say definitely subscribe, or not subscribe, follow them on their Instagram. You can also subscribe to their newsletter as well. A lot of times they let people in early or some type of exclusivity, so I think it's always good to be signed up to someone's newsletter if you're not signed up. Then lastly, I have no idea what this is going to be. This was dropped literally like not too long ago. Going At, I just threw it in here so we have it. Looks like Going At is doing a restock of something. They didn't really talk about what it was. They just showed like a hint. I was trying to like pause and see what it could possibly be. So I put this on our radar. I got the details to be determined. And once I have more details, I'll definitely let you guys know. If you guys want the fastest updates, I would say my Discord is where you can get the fastest updates, because as I find stuff, I just put in the Discord and I talk to my community about that. If you want something where you can see a lot more visuals and a little bit more structured, I would say Instagram. I actually just started a new Instagram because I am branching out into doing other pop culture stuff like video games and stuff. So what I did for the people that will only like to see just the anime updates, I made a new Instagram that is called Anti-Weeb Fashion. I'm gonna have this be more of like a hype beast magazine style where you can just quickly get the updates and stay up to date. And I'll also still do my talking head videos on there as well, but it'll just be easier for people that are just interested in the anime stuff and don't really care about video games or fandoms like Star Wars, because I like Star Wars and I want to share a lot of Star Wars merch that I found. So that's new, and for anyone that is interested, it's brand new. I just created not too long ago. And then some other things that are related to anime fashion that I want to support you guys on is I am working on a quiz that helps you identify what your fashion aesthetic is. A lot of times people dress a certain way, but they don't really know what their aesthetic is. So hopefully this quiz will help you do that. If you're interested in testing the quiz before I fully launch it, drop a comment in the video in the description, or drop a comment below. Oh my goodness, it's like sometimes I forget how to talk. And yeah, lastly, Hashira Studios is doing a spring sale from the 2nd all the way to the 8th. So this is their unofficial and officially licensed stuff. So I would say go check that out. There's some fire pieces on there that I would recommend. I do believe there's like I think it's a cyber, there's a jacket on there that I wanted that sold out. I should have got it. I could hear Sherm, someone from my Discord, echoing in the back of my head like, you should have got it, like I said. Yeah, so go check that out. You have until the 8th. Also, all sale is final. So once you buy it, you're cooked. You know, you can't go back. So make sure that's what you want. And also, I just recently did a post. A lot of people liked it. I think you would like it as well. I feel like you've been probably trying to look for good anime merch. I've been looking for anime merch forever. I compiled like a list of some of the brands I think are like the best out of all the brands I've experienced. And you're probably like, why is this brand not on there? Why is this brand not on there? I kind of use a tiering system, because just because a brand is like aesthetically nice doesn't mean that their materials are good. It doesn't mean that they're nice to the community or have good communication, good craftsmanship. All that stuff I kind of put into a bunch of different tiers, and then I kind of rate them off of that. And these are the ones that kind of just stayed at the top consistently, and also just like value, best bang for your buck. So I would say go check that out. I'm gonna drop a part 2. I'm waiting to see like what the poll does depending on what part 2 is. But that's it, everything for the week. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you're excited for. You're probably mad like me about them darn Pokemon shoes. I really do hope they do a restock. I'm crossing my fingers. I'm gonna try and I really want those shoes, so we're gonna see what I could do. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.